Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Stephanie and I do makeup videos. If you like what you see, go ahead and follow me over my social media. Details are down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today's look is a birthday glam. My birthday's coming up on March 11th, so I figured I'd do something cute and creative. If you guys want to see how I created this look, go ahead and keep on watching. I am going to be priming my lids with my Plouise Rumor number 2. For my eyeshadow, I will be using the Wanted Eye Cheek Palette by NARS. And I will be using this shade right here, which is called Notorious. I'm going to grab a semi-flat fluffy brush and I'm just going to dab the shade on. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab a tight blending brush. I just want to fade out that line so it's not too harsh. And then I'm going to grab a fluffy brush and just blend everything upwards with a little bit more of that same color. To make the crown, I'm going to go ahead and be using my Plouise Base Rumor number 2. And I also will be using this brush right here, which is a very thin and precise brush to be able to make that perfect line. For my glitter, I will be using the Stila Cosmetics Magnificent Metals, and this is in shade Smoky Storm. I just applied some rhinestones on the tip of each little point. I will be applying Lashfullyyours lashes. I will be using Chloe, which is the second one right here. To prime my face, I will be using the Stila primer. And it's also a brightening serum. For today's foundation, I will be using Naked from Urban Decay, and this is shade in 4.0. For concealer, I will be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in shade Fair. To highlight my face, I will be using the Dragon Heart Transformation Powder from Dragon Beauty. To contour, I will be using my Hoola bronzer. This is from Benefit. For the blush, I will be using the same shade as I used on my shadow, and that is from the NARS Cheek Palette. For the lip liner, I will be using NYX Cosmetics. This is an SPL 858. For my lip gloss, I will be using Makeup Forever, and this is in shade Artist Plexi-glass. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!